I will mention here 5 options with relatively small initial investment and a great rate of return potential. Keep in mind that it's not just about the numbers. Consider whether you have the skills and passion to run the business successfully. Without further ado, here are our top picks. Number 1, CertaPro Painters, a painting contractor franchise. The company provides online courses, management software, and materials. According to their website, the average gross sales exceed $2 million annually, with startup costs under $300,000. Number 2, Dog Training Elite, a dog training business offering 100 hours of classroom training and ongoing support through video calls and regional training. With an investment of around $300,000, you can achieve up to $970,000 in gross sales annually. Business opportunity number 3, Express Employment Professionals, a staffing business with average sales of $6 million for territories open more than 24 months. The initial investment is around $300,000. The company offers back-office support, help desk services, monthly regional meetings, annual conferences, online training, and marketing support. Key skills for success include management and sales expertise. Business number 4, Remax, a well-known real estate agency. Average annual revenue is $1.7 million. They offer financing for startup fees and training for both the owner and agents. Business opportunity number 5, Tint World, an automotive styling brand with an average startup cost of $400,000, an annual profit potential of $390,000. They provide financial assistance, real estate negotiation help, ongoing training, marketing support, and research and development of new products and services. These are my top picks for franchises with a relatively small initial investment. Are you wondering if it's the right time to leave your 9-to-5 and start your own business? Check out our video on the perfect timing to leave your job, ensuring you unleash your full potential at the right time. Be sure to like and subscribe for more high-quality content. We are here to serve you with the most important things to know in the business world.